Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do gorgeous 3D flower tip. So we're going to start by using these gorgeous colours. We've got Paradise, which is a nice green, Aubergine Dream, which is a nice purple, Jaffa Cake orange, and Mind Your Beeswax yellow. So we'll do, we've just stuck these tips on this hand because this hand is a nightmare, to be honest. And we're just going to do 2 coats of each colour on the tips. The yellow. That's a gorgeous orange, that Jaffa Cake.
Very bright.
It's going to be really popular soon, isn't it? Festival season coming, holidays. And the green.
Did you say that's green?
Yeah, do you not think?
I'd say that's blue.
Oh, this is where people's eyes are different, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
It's like Tiffany
I know
green.
exactly what you mean. Yeah, that's true. But isn't Tiffany blue?
Ah, no, wait. There's a debate. Is Tiffany green or blue? Then we're going to mat these now. Our matte top coat. Now I'm going to use these gorgeous 3D flowers. You can get these from Amazon or eBay. And we're going to make a tip on the purple one. So we're going to take some aqua gel, because everything sticks so strong to aqua gel.
Which one's that?
The clear, sorry, it's Loud and Clear aqua gel. 3D brush with some gel res, just to get it moving. We want to mould it into the tip shape. Don't want it too thick, but thick enough to hold them. Pop a little bit more. we're going to take our flowers. And make a mess with them. Take a wax pen and then just place them all the way around the tip.
And you've got that colour match bang on, haven't you?
I have, haven't I? Pure fluke that as well. I love this already.
Mm. Yeah, that's cute. You could just do it like that, like a line of them, couldn't you?
Yeah, it would be gorgeous, just like that. But I'm gonna go full throttle, aren't I, obviously. It's not really in me, is it, to do that? If you do have any gaps, though, you could stick the little beads in between if you really wanted to. Right, we'll cure that so they don't move. And on our palette we'll put a little bit of top coat. And a dotting tool. And just put a little bit of top coat in each one for the beads. So fiddly, but gorgeous. Okay, with that, how bloody
Beautiful.
gorgeous is that? Hope you all enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All those colours will be listed down below, and we'll see you in the next video.